Creating a listing on Amazon Seller Central for your product and making that listing active and live for purchase can sometimes become a very difficult and very frustrating task for you, because sometimes you can face some errors in creating your listing. You can get those errors by maybe putting your brand name which is not registered, by maybe putting some wrong UPC code, wrong title, or any other information that is not as per the Amazon policy. So in result of that, your listing might get suppressed. So if your listing is also get suppressed, then no need to worry. In this video, I will show you all the reasons from which your listing might get suppressed, and I'll also show you step by step that how you can make your listing active again. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be super helpful for you. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on my Seller Central and this is my product inventory page where all of my products are there. So you can see that these are the products. So on the left side in the first column, this is the status of all my products. So you can see that this is number 1 listing having 2 variation. When I click on drop down, so you can see that these 2 listings are active. The inventory of these 2 products are at Amazon FBA warehouse. And all the information like images, title, bullet points are already present on the listing, and this listing is having no issues or no error. It is live for my buyers to place the order. But when I go down, so you can see that these listings are inactive and out of stock. So the number 1 status is active, which means no problem, and number 2 status is inactive, out of stock, which means there is no problem with the listing. Like the content, title, bullet point, description and images, all the information are there without any error, but the stock of this listing on Amazon FBA warehouse is 0. That's why Amazon makes your listing inactive and it is stating that out of stock. Because at the right side, you can see that the number of units available for this listing is 0. So if you are having these 2 status, active or inactive, out of stock, so no need to worry. But if you are having the third status, like if I can check if any of my listing is suppressed, when we go down, so you can see that, yeah, this one, you can see that this is the third status saying that search suppress. So if you are getting this status on your listing, that means there is some missing information on your listing which is preventing your listing to be active. No matter you are having inventory in your warehouse, if your listing is having this error, that means you have to fix that error to make your listing active. So to see that why Amazon is showing this search suppress listing, we have to click on the edit button of this listing. So after clicking on edit, Amazon navigates me to the edit page of this product. So you can see that on all top bar like vital info, variation, offers, I am seeing 2 errors on bars. Like one error is from offer and second error is from images. So if your listing is inactive due to any error, so you will be able to know with these red marks that the current error is on which field. So first I check the error on offers tab. So you can see that this field of country and region of origin is empty. So that means I have to fill something in it. So let's suppose I am purchasing product from China. So I can just click on here, drop down, type China, and I have to click that. So you can see that when I fill the information in this field, that error has gone. So you can see that that red error from the offer tab has gone. Just like that, you have to go on all fields and check all the errors and just start putting some information there which is missing there. So let's see for the second error, click on images. So now here you can see that I have already uploaded an image, but there is an error with this image, like this image is not compliance the Amazon policy. So let's see what it's saying. We believe the main image has less text, a logo, graphic or watermark, which is not permitted for this product type. So you can see that they are saying that the main image should be for only product with white background, no logo, no text or no any other thing. So you can see that in this image, I have just put a circle to just magnify this product. So this circle is against the policy. So to remove this error and make my listing from suppressed to active, I have to delete this photo and then I have to click on upload image. And then I have to re-upload the edited image which is as per Amazon policy. So after deleting this, you can see that that error has also gone. So that means if your listing is suppressed, so there must be some information that is put it wrong in your Seller Central or that field is empty. So you need to fill in the right information or you need to fill the information on the empty fields to make your listing active again. And after removing all those errors, you have to go down and then you have to click save and finish. So after clicking that save and finish, you have to wait for at least 1 hour. And when after 1 hour you will back and check, that error of suppressed listing must have been gone and your listing must have gone live again. So there is a different kind of error you can face to making your listing active again. Sometimes it happens that when you try updating your title or try updating any information, Amazon is not updating that information even after clicking on save and finish button. So that is a different topic. If this happens with you, so you need to use a flat file. You need to try edit your product listing from another method which is called add product via upload. So if you are facing that issue, so you can just watch my other video. I will put the link of that video in the description below. So you can follow that video and remove that error. So in that way you can make your listing active again and you can start selling that product on Amazon again. So I hope this video helps you a lot, and if you like my content and if my content gives some help to you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to ask anything from me regarding this topic or regarding any e-commerce or make money online topic, then you can just contact me anytime. You can just ask me a question in the comment box below, or you can just schedule a free one-on-one session with me from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.